View around cicadas, and they're quieting down again. And when nightfall comes, unless it's a very, very humid night, they usually don't make noise. But warm and humid night. Last summer they were very noisy. Okay, yeah, there's no cicada. That's the other type that's more up north, the one you're hearing now. So you got the two species of cicada here. Oh, praise God. Also supposed to be 17-year cicada this year too. Awesome sky, praise God. No, it's actually normally. That species is more common up north when you're hearing now. The GDD, and then the other one, that's the dog-day cicada. Oh, praise God.